Real-time monitoring using data analytics can predict equipment failures before they happen. This can ensure that critical systems stay online and water treatment facilities avoid costly repairs and unplanned downtime, maintaining consistent water quality. So it's important to maintain operations of water treatment facilities and to ensure that all your pumps, for example, are operating correctly and there's no failures. One facility that we had worked with in the past specifically was moving a lot of wastewater. And if there was ever a situation where equipment would fail, that wastewater would pile up and end up in some residential backyards. So it's important to ensure that all those pumps are running without failure.
Improve your peace of mind. Contact Volta Insite today.